Hello guys, I am back with another new tutorial. I am going to show you how to make the timeline animation tutorial in slide animation in just PowerPoint 2007. So without wasting our time, let's get started. Today we have to add this teardrop icon and this small circle, this line shape and this text boxes. So let me take a new slide. At first, we have to take a oval shape, drag over here, zoom the slide, go to format shape, go to format, shape outline, no outline, shape fill, change the color. Now by pressing Ctrl Shift, make it duplicate. Change, change the color of oval, make it small one and place it in the middle of the first oval. Select these two, press Ctrl G to group. Now zoom out. Select line by holding Shift key, drag it here and make it like this. Go to Format, Shape Outline, change the weight to 2.5 point and shape outline to black color. Now we have to connect with oval and send it to back. After that, select these two, bring them over here. Select these two, holding Ctrl and drag it over here. It will be duplicated. Repeat this for another 2 times. For last point, select circle, press Ctrl, drag it here. Now, you can change the color of small circle. Zoom in. Select second circle, go to Format, Shape Fill, select Color. Repeat the same after changing the color of the small circle. For third one, fourth one and fifth one. Select teardrop. Over here. Now rotate it like this. Now tear this yellow point to down and look something like this. And place it on the exact top of the second circle. Now go to Format, Shape Fill, change the color so it matches with the respective point of the second circle. From Shape Outline, select No Outline. Now pick oval, drag it over here. Go to Format, Shape Fill, select white color. Shape Outline, No Outline. Place it in the middle of the teardrop. Then select these two shapes, press Ctrl G to group. Now bring it to here. Holding Ctrl, drag it to here, it will be duplicated. Repeat the same, holding Ctrl. We just make them drag it here to right. Place over this small circle so we can change the color of the teardrop so it matches with the respective circle. Just select the teardrop shape and from the shape fill change the color. This is simple, so just select, go to the shape fill. and change the color. After that, we have to place some icons on this white circle. Go to insert, click on picture. As I already downloaded few icons, insert them. So what I will do now, select each icon and place it on the white circle. Make sure this icon on the middle of this circle. After adding all these icons on the middle of the white oval, select all of this and make sure that these are in the middle of the PowerPoint slide. Now we can add text boxes. Select text box, drag it over here. Write some text in the number format. Now change the font to TWSN empty font style. Make it bold. Change the font color. Make it center holding control as it looks like this. Holding control, drag it down. Now change the font size. Remove bold and write some text. Here we can add some brief text by change it color to black and make it center and a bit upward. Now select these two. By pressing Ctrl, drag it to the 7 by so that it can copy the text. Repeat the same for third, fourth and fifth points so that it will be on the center. Now select the second text box, change the year and also the color which it looks with this respective circle. Repeat this for third, fourth and fifth ovals text boxes also. Select the text, change the font color so that it matches with the respective color and change the text as it is so simple. I am doing it fast. We have to select the icon and teardrop. Press Ctrl G to group. Repeat the same. Select this view and press Ctrl G group and thus way we have to group the element. Thus the teardrop shape and icon after grouping all the elements. After doing it to all ears, now I will select the text and copy it here. Now go for the animation. Select custom animation. Now select small circle, add effect, entrance, zoom. Select the bottom arrow, timing. Here we have to select delay 0.5 seconds and OK. Now select teardrop entrance zoom. On start after previous, click the bottom arrow, select timing. Delay 0.5 seconds. Select OK. Now select the year text box. Go to add effect entrance zoom. On click after previous, select the bottom arrow timing on delay 0.5 seconds. Now select the bottom text one. Go to add effect entrance zoom. Start after previous. Click the bottom arrow timing delay 0.5 seconds on OK. Now select the line. Add effect entrance select wipe. On start select after previous. On direction select from left. Go to bottom arrow timings delay 0.5 seconds. Now select the second circle. Go to add effect entrance zoom. Start after previous. Now go to timing delay 0.5 seconds. Same animations for second, third, fourth, and fifth teardrops. Timings 0.5 second delay on OK. Now select the ear text box. Go to add effect, entrance, zoom. Start after previous. Timings delay 0.5 seconds. Select the second text box. Go to add effect, entrance, zoom. Start after previous. Timings delay 0.5 seconds. Now select the line. Go to add effect, entrance, wipe. Start after previous. Direction from left. Timings delay 0.5 seconds. Long OK. Now select the third circle. Go to add effect, entrance, zoom. Start after previous. Go to timings. Delay 0.5 seconds. Click on OK. Now select the teardrop, add effect, entrance, zoom. And start after previous. Go to timings. Delay 0.5 seconds. Click on OK. Now select the ear text box. Go to add effect, entrance, zoom. And start after previous. Timing delay 0.5 seconds. Click on OK. Now select the bottom text box. Go to entrance, zoom. Start after previous. Timing 0.5 seconds delay. Click on OK. Now select the line. Go to add effect, entrance, wipe. And start after previous. Direction from left. Timing delay 0.5 seconds. Click on OK. Now select the second circle, add effect, entrance, zoom. And start after previous. Timing delay 0.5 seconds. Select the teardrop, add effect, entrance, zoom. And start after previous. Timing 0.5 seconds delay. Now select the ear text box, add effect, entrance, zoom. And start after previous. Timing delay 0.5 seconds. Click OK. Now select the bottom text box. Go to entrance, zoom, and start after previous. Timing delay 0.5 seconds. Click OK. Now select line. Go to add effect, entrance, wipe. Start after previous. Direction from left. Timing delay 0.5 seconds. Now select circle, entrance, zoom. And start after previous timing, delay zero point 0.5 seconds. Now select the teardrop. Go to add effect, entrance, zoom. On start after previous timing, delay zero point 0.5 seconds. Select the year text box, add effect, entrance, zoom. On start after previous timing, zero point 0.5 seconds delay. Select the year text box, add effect, entrance, zoom. On start after previous timing, zero point 0.5 seconds delay. Now click on the slideshow. Animated PowerPoint timeline slide will look like this. For more videos on animated PowerPoint tutorials on 2007, please like, share and subscribe to my channel NISHA Computer Academy. Thanks for watching.